Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. So in today's video I will be making this amazing red pea soup with pig's tail. Now let's get So okay guys, in our pot we have our soaked peas and I'm just going to bring that to a boil, and I also have some garlic with that. Now here we have our two meats. I have pig's tail and I also have some chicken. The pig's tail wasn't enough, so I just decided to add some chicken to it. Now here I'm going to be bringing the pig's tail to a boil for about 15 to 20 minutes just to get rid of some of the saltiness from it. So okay, now the pigtail have been boiling for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding it to our peas and I'm going to allow that to boil for about 45 minutes. So guys, this is after 30 minutes, so I'm going to be adding some boiling water to this because our water has reduced, and I'm going to cover that and leave it to cook for another 20 minutes. So guys, while that is boiling, I will be making my dumplings, and this is just cornmeal, flour, salt and water. Now I will be transferring it to a bigger bowl just so I have more room to work with. Okay, so now I'm using my fingers just to combine all the ingredients. Then I will be using room temperature water, adding it to the flour to form a dough. Okay, so while making this, you want to be careful when adding your water. You don't want to add too much water because then it will become sticky, and if it does become sticky, just go ahead and add just a little bit more flour. So okay, now I'm adding these dumplings to the soup, and this is what's gonna give it body, yada 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 yada, you know, body. Okay, it's gonna be thick and you don't want any long water. Okay, this isn't water you're drinking. You don't want your soup to be long, so just go ahead and add your dumplings. So now you just want to give that a little stir, cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Then I will be adding my season along with my ground provisions. Now occasionally you want to go and stir your soup just so that nothing gets sticks to the bottom. So guys, now this part is optional. You can go ahead and add coconut milk if you want. As I said, it's optional, but trust me, it's gonna give your soup so much flavor. Like, trust me, if you have that coconut milk, sis, go ahead and add that coconut milk to your soup. Look at that, bubbling, pata bubble, bubble pata. Now you want to go and add your soup mix, and I'm using the spicy cock soup mix because, you know, with every soup, you know, you just want a little kick to it. Okay, so okay, my lovelies, by this time you'll smell that coconut aroma coming from that soup. Like, trust me, it's a hit. You know, scratch the fact that I said it's optional. Go ahead and add that coconut milk, sis. Like, go ahead and add it. It's a hit. It's a hitter. It's a hitter. Okay, go ahead and add that coconut milk. You will not regret it. Now I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water because I realize my soup is a little bit too thickums. So so yeah, just leave that to simmer on low heat for another 20 minutes. Okay, now look at this beauty. Look at this beautiful bowl of soup. Like, look at this beautiful bowl of soup, guys. Look at it. So good. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please to go ahead and do so. Also, turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. I love you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.